I think, for example, the literature, um, I, I, um, I was able, I've been telling stories and reading part of it to the Yiddish Club each month, different stories, Shalom Aleichem story, parrot stories this year. They know about 6 or 7 parrot stories. And now I was able to acquire a few in transliteration. We did a story, Shalom Bayis by Parrots, a little story, it was a charming story in Yiddish. So anyway, so your question was the connection of Yiddish. I think everybody can appreciate the literature in English, but the knowing that it was written in Yiddish is a connection. Um, but I don't know how it will develop as a living language. I understand that the Hasidim use it as a language, but they don't use it as a literary language or anything like that. And I understand that they have made it easier for themselves by having every article be male. Der Tisch, der Jingle, der Mädel, instead of feminine and masculine having to learn the difference. They just say der for everything. It's easier. And so I understand that's happening with it. But I don't know what the future holds, and I can't imagine. But I'm struck by the wonderful stories